Hi, welcome to Mystic's Teamworks. I'm Rhonda, and this is my channel. This is also my shop. I started this because I was making resin items, and someone asked me if I was interested in selling them. So I figured I'd give it a shot. Well, in making the resin items, I saw a lot of things that people were doing, adding vinyl and stickers and other fun items to them. So I decided that I would try some of that. And the easiest way to do that is by having a Cricut. So I started doing some research and found that the best deal for me was going to be the Cricut Maker. So I got online and found where I could get the best deal, and I ended up purchasing it from Home Shopping Network. And this is my unboxing video. I am brand new to Cricut. I have never used one at all. So it's all going to be a learning experience, and I hope you stay tuned for this and future videos. Here we go. So things that came with it are the roll of party foil in charcoal, and it's all glittery and sparkly. A roll of premium vinyl that is geometric tiles sampler. I accidentally shut the computer off instead of zooming in, so we had that going on. So I was re-showing them after I zoomed in. This is the party foil in charcoal. Can you see how pretty it is? So shiny. I'm excited to use it. I recorded this and then found out that my microphone was dead. So this is all voiceover and nothing is going to match. I hope that doesn't drive you too crazy. But let's get on with it. After the vinyls, I had transfer tape, which comes in handy from all the things I've seen. You have to use it for about everything. And then stencil vinyl. I'm not sure exactly what that is. And then we had premium vinyl in black and white. It's hard for me to see the video, but I'm hoping my timing is about right. I also got 10 sheets of printable vinyl and a weeding tool. And from what I saw, the weeding tool is one of your most useful tools. The other is a scraper that you press things down with. It did not come with one of those, but I hear you can use a variety of items. So then we get to opening the box within the box. And once we open the box within the box, it had another box. But this one at least had a handle. This is the actual box with the Cricut Maker in it. And it shows on top of the box that it comes with a premium fine point blade, a rotary blade, and a fine point pen. It does have other accessories listed on the box that they want you to buy. A knife blade, a scoring wheel or a double scoring wheel, a washable fabric pen, and a calligraphy pen. So then we get to actually opening the box up. Once we open the box, it has a small box in it that says, "Let's get started." In the Let's Get Started box, you have your first project package, which I have not opened up yet. We'll do that in the next video, hopefully. There's a little envelope that says, "Open me first." There is a welcome book with links. Now we're up to the welcome book. It's got some pictures and some links on the back. Then we have a rotary tool and the cap for a rotary tool, a cord, and a pin. Now, I'm hoping I get my timing right on these because it's hard to see the video while I'm trying to do the voiceover. But we got the Open Me First envelope. We have the first card, which says, "Unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine." The second card says, "Get connected. Just go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step." The third card says, "Make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun." And the fourth one says, "Bookmark this page. That's Cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy." Then we get to the point where we're actually opening the Cricut. So there are various colors available in the Cricut. I wasn't worried about the color. I was worried about getting a good deal on the price. So I took what they had available, which is champagne. Somewhere right in here, there's also the fabric mats, or the mats showing. The first one is a fabric mat. It is pink, and you can use it for cutting out sewing patterns. I'm not sure what all you can do with that, but I know I did see people using it to cut out masks during all the pandemic stuff. So that could be handy if we continue to have to wear them for a while. And then you have the light grip mat, which is blue. And I think that's just your basic mat. Right around here somewhere, I went and opened everything, took the plastic off of it, and looked to see how pretty it is, and then we have to change the angle. Once we change the angle, you can see that it is the champagne color, which is perfectly fine. It's got holders on the side for your tools. It's actually fairly heavy and decently big. When you open it, the front comes open and it has more storage, which is going to happen in just a minute. Hopefully this video will turn out semi-decent and I can get another one up soon that I'm going to actually hook it up to my computer and get everything started and make the first project with it. So hopefully you guys will come back and hopefully we'll have a better experience with the next video. So have a mystical day and thank you for watching. Bye.